Hi and welcome to the Cars and Stuff YouTube channel. My name's Mark and in this video I'm going to discuss how I've made a part exchange deal against a Jaguar XF 2.7 litre diesel I had with 124,000 miles on the clock with almost 4 service history. So roughly around 2 months or so ago, I won this Jag at auction from BCA Bridgewater. I initially won it for £2,190 including fees. However, after a 70-mile trip back home, the low coolant light came up on the dash. So I drove it home, checked underneath and noticed coolant was spilling out absolutely everywhere. So I called my local and trusty car garage to book it in, just to have a look at it. So within a couple of days it was booked in, and upon checking it over, the mechanic said it needed the water inlet manifold replacing. Although this particular part is fairly cheap, around £30 or so, it's very labour intensive, so it needed half of the engine bay removing just to get to it. So £500 later, it was all fixed. So I was in the car for around £2,700, which to be fair, I still gave me a decent margin to work with. However, a few days later again, the engine light came on along with the DSC light, so back to the garage it went. After a quick diagnostics check, it found that the EGR valve needed replacing. So an EGR from Jaguar would cost around £1,000. But I was advised to blank off the EGR and get it remapped, so I went down that route instead with another total cost of around £550. It also needed an MOT, new front springs, brake pads and a service, so I was now all in for just over £3,800. So unfortunately not much profit in it really. I would have been more than happy really just to get my money back. So after a wash, polish and detail, I took some pictures and advertised the car on Facebook Marketplace at £3,850, just giving me a £50 profit. I didn't get too much interest at first, so after a few weeks I did receive a message from someone asking if I do a swap for a Mark V Golf GTI with 172,000 miles on the clock. He sent me some pictures and explained it had a few modifications. For example, it had a stage 2 remap which performed to around 270 brake horsepower. It had a custom exhaust, an induction kit along with a few other bits and bobs as well. It also had a lot of recent maintenance, including a DSG gearbox service, cam belt and new brakes all round. Although I liked the look of the Golf, I thought the Jag was worth a little bit more, so we came to a deal that included his Golf plus £500 cash to be paid my way. So we arranged to meet up, test drive each other's cars, and we did the deal there and then, as we were both happy with that deal. After driving it home, I was thinking to myself, this is definitely a car I'd like to keep for myself. It stuck to the road extremely well, the throttle response was amazing, and it just drove like a dream. But I just had too much money in it for the long term, so I thought I'd just take my time putting it for sale. So for now, it's a stock car that's not up for sale just yet, but it will be very soon. And who knows, I may even take on another part exchange. So again, very short video for this one, so many thanks for watching. I do need to try and make some more videos, but due to work commitments, I am finding it quite hard to do so. So in the meantime, feel free to like, subscribe, leave any comments you have, maybe have any ideas that you'd like me to do with the Golf. Also, if you have any Part X's that you would like to maybe consider, then get in touch, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.